if you're not understanding the full excitement right now, like, I can wear a full wig with no leave out. Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today I know you guys haven't seen me in a long while, so you're probably wondering, what the hell are you doing here?
Ariana, what are you doing here?
I know I have a lot to explain as to why I've been gone so long, but I'll explain that in the next video. But today, I'm here because of HerGivenHair. Thank you, HerGivenHair, for sponsoring this video. So if you guys have been watching me for a hot minute, then you know I am a lazy, sorry, we don't use the word lazy around here, low energy, low effort, okay? So the headband wigs, the half wigs, the V-part wig, the U-part wig, all of those, like having my hairline look as natural as possible, love it, eat it up, that's what I want, okay? So I've always have to compromise, well, other than the headband wig, I've always had to compromise in some way of having some type of leave out for my own natural hair instead of having a full protected style. However, imagine my excitement when I saw on HerGivenHair's website this brand new bye-bye leave out thin part wig. So the idea is you don't need any leave out for this wig any at all. So the lace is black. The lace is not going to be trying to blend with my own skin color. No. So this tiny bit of lace just has to blend with my natural hair so that my own scalp can shine through, right? And then it just looks like my hair transitions from my scalp to the wig. And then, you know, it's supposed to look like it's coming out of my own scalp. That's the plan. Let's see how that works. Alright, let's secure the first part first. Alright, one side first. One side at a time. Right? That's the plan. So we have 5 clips at the front, 2 combs at the side, and a comb at the back. Nice and close to the part. You see that? Do you see that? So this is my own skin, okay? And then the second clip, so I'm going to attach the 2 of them. Nice and secure. Okay, my plan is after this to tease the roots so that it like, wait, just wait. Let's attach the next. Should I attach the next side first or? Okay, let's not overthink this. So if you don't know, HerGivenHair specializes in natural curly hair, and I chose the Coily 3C 4 hair curl pattern. And because this is 100% human hair, I did show it some TLC, so I conditioned the hair, detangled the hair, and to add soft definition to the curls, I added a mousse. Clip it down. Hold on. Let me secure the rest of the wig. Yep, this is doing it. Okay, oh my gosh. And we don't even finish it. To really sell it, because right now the hair is freshly washed, so even the hair around the lace is kind of flat. Okay, so look what we're going to do. We're going to take a comb and just back comb it. Back comb. Just tease. I think it's called teasing. So we're going to tease the front right here. Oh my god. Where did my wig go? Like, I can't find the wig. Where is it? Where did it go? You just have to ensure that after you put on the wig, just go like that. A little tease. A little judging, you know? A little judging. And we're good. I hope the camera is capturing like the magic that's happening here. I'm looking in the mirror and I can't spot the lace. I can't spot the lace. This hair is coming out of my scalp. And if you tell me otherwise, you're lying. So my only comment is that the size small fits. It fits well, it feels comfortable, but I think if I had a medium cap, then like after wash day, maybe when my hair is still wet, like, you know, plait my hair in 2 big plaits and then like put it together and then put this hair over it, like if I have to go out quickly or something. Like the possibilities for this wig, ooh, love it, endless. And just for the formalities, this hair is soft, I don't get a lot of shedding. Like, I have had HerGivenHair units for like 3+ years and they're all holding up very well. Like, I take care of them, I wear them a lot, okay? If you see me with natural looking hair that's not mine, it's more than likely from HerGivenHair. Quality, we love it. And another thing, like, if you even just want to, just because you feel like it, to actually have leave out, the wig working with you, okay? We have versatility, so we can say bye bye leave out, or if you wanna, you can have like a little sliver of leave out. I personally think you don't need it. I mean, it's speaking for itself, okay? Thank you again, HerGivenHair, for sponsoring this video. I love it. I love it. I hope you love it too. If you guys are interested in purchasing this bye bye leave out thin part wig, I'll be sure to leave the exact link down below in the description box. Okay beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, and I think you get a discount too. Okay beauties, thanks again for watching. Later. Mwah.